We came up up the gully, and at the bottom where are those openings, we followed at the bottom of each, which is some avalanche gullies. There is a creek down below. We were on the left side of the creek from here to the parking lot for Boom Mountain, where we are heading now. That's Storm Mountain up ahead is a route. Stanley Peak and some glacier. And yeah, we're continuing now towards the summit of Boom, which will be following that way to the shoulder and then along that ridge to the summit somewhere. Continuing on the way to Boom Mountain, 2,550 something meters elevation right now. I just checked it. Should be 27 something the summit of Boom Mountain, so shouldn't be too far from here. Should be somewhere once I get on the ridge, pretty much follow to the right, hopefully without any problems. I'm on a shoulder of Boom Mountain, which is behind me. Tom is now descending. The elevation here is 2649 meters, and this is a Boom shoulder, and I'm going to now go towards to have a view of Boom Lake down below. Should be visible now. It's an amazing lake and panorama with snowy mountains. I wonder if the one behind is not Temple. It has to be Temple, I imagine. Yeah, I will continue in a bit to go to the summit of Boom Mountain. May as well reach the summit. Probably even a more complete panorama of the lake. Here it's just the half west side was visible. Peak, the white mountain there, and in the middle now that one is Storm Mountain. Tom is over there descending from Boom Summit. Trans-Canada Highway with a Castle Mountain in a view now, and many other peaks, of course. Yeah, we'll close for now. On the very summit, I don't know why on GPS he shows something else, but anyway, it's pretty clear. So this is a summit, everything else is lower. So great panorama. And there's this extension stick to walk on the summit ridge. Yeah, it seems like Boom Lake. It's actually not visible from here. I was expecting to see it fully, but it's not the case. Let's look at this cornice. Wow! If you step on it, you go down 700 meters or so, I would imagine. It's crazy. There's Highway 93 visible in the background. Let's do some 360. It's a very nice view here. It's better than the shoulder. Oh yeah, I see Boom Lake somewhere down. A small part of it. Castle Mountain. A whole bunch of peaks behind. I don't have the names right now, but yeah, I did some of them. Vermilion Peak must be somewhere. Yeah, I'm gonna close here and do another short cliff. Yeah, so summit of Boom Mountain in at the edge of Bound National Park. I'm gonna go very slowly to have a nice panorama shot. I wish I had time to go even further, but I don't, unfortunately. But this is a summit here, so I'll have to skip that part. Might have blocked views anyway, I don't know for sure. So there's no point going there. Just gonna finish 360 panorama There's a Mount Temple in a view, has to be, and then back to the shoulder. Boom Lake visible below, just descending from Boom Summit, heading towards the shoulder, which is that way. Beautiful snowfield, Mount Temple. Closing up with the lake again, and the cornice here. Now I got finally almost a complete view of Boom Lake.